I have walked through storms and silence alike. Every scar on my blade carries a lesson, and every drop of blood spilled was a choice. Do not mistake restraint for weakness. When my sword moves, it moves to end.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Greatest Tech here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own talking avatar with AI for absolutely free. There's a few tools needed and we'll get right into it. So first of all, you want to go to a website called hedra.ai, and once you go in there, they'll tell you to sign up and you'll get about approximately 200 free credits. So once you use a new account, sign up, you'll get 200 credits. So it'll prompt you to a page like this. So for this purposes, we're gonna go for video. All right, and then the second thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to 11 Labs. I already have it open here. I'm gonna quickly do a generate speech for a voiceover for the character that we're gonna choose. Again, it could be your own image or it could be any character from Google or images you want to talk. So you just generate speech. I'm gonna wait for that to download.
I have walked through.
All right, we're gonna download that. Once we have that downloaded and we have the character downloaded, it's gonna be like from here. We're gonna put some prompts in there to make the character move and talk. We're going to do that soon. So we're gonna upload some stuff here. We're gonna upload the audio script. It was just downloaded that. We're gonna go to downloads. We're gonna upload that. Add to video, and then again you're gonna choose our image again from the set frame here. We're gonna do the image, and I found this cool samurai character on Google, so we're gonna use that. Off click, and once we have that, we're gonna make some prompts like samurai character talking about his battles according to the script. Move the character here and make him grin and angry while talking. Okay, so we made that script pretty straightforward. You can make this anything. You can also make different resolutions like 16 by 9, 9 by 16. For shorts, you can do 9 by 16. I'll just do 16 by 9 for this one, and we're just gonna hit the red button again, and it'll use 77 credits. Again, I have 259 credits, so it'll give you approximately like 300 credits when you sign up. Okay, we're gonna wait here, and I'll come back and cut it when the character is made, and I'll show you the final product. Alright guys, so we have the creation here, and it's absolutely perfect. I already saw it. Let's see it together again one more time.
I have walked through storms and silence alike. Every scar on my blade carries a lesson, and every drop of blood spilled was a choice. Do not mistake restraint for weakness. When my sword moves, it moves to end.
Wow, that was amazing. That's a great product we got from that. And so we're gonna do this. And now once you download the video, it's gonna download in a zip folder. So first of all, you have to unzip the folder to see the video inside. All right, there we have the video. So as you can see, we have this watermark there. We're gonna go and remove that for ourselves. We're gonna go to unwatermark.ai, this area. Once you have that opened up, we're gonna go and press the brush button, and we're gonna simply draw around the area there. We have feel there's a watermark there. Try not to get most of the other parts because it might not look as well then. So just okay, there you go. I'm gonna press remove now, and simply gonna do it in like 5 seconds, and you're gonna have a video without watermark.
I have walked through storms and silence alike.
And
every scar on my blade carries a lesson,
watermark,
and every drop of blood spilled.
So if you did like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and make sure you give it a thumbs up.